What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chad. An effective logo has the power to change the perception of the brand. It stands as a testimony to the changes in the market trend. The construction of a logo is an art. Every part of the logo plays a direct role in communicating a message of your brand or company. Every color and font style has a distinctive effect on the buyer's or your audience perception. Today we'll create a logo with Designhill Logo Maker. They're not just for designing logos though. You can create a lot of stuff with them, but today we'll do the logo. It's totally free to design the logo and you only pay for a design when you love it. The interface is user-friendly and it is very easy to operate even for people with zero technical experience. All you have to do is follow a simple set of steps and you have your logo ready within minutes. Designhill Logo Maker allows you to experiment with various options, edit design, and make the final selection once you are delighted. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome and feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these videos. With that out of the way, let's dive into this fun logo maker. So launch the logo maker. I will put the link in the description and start by entering your company name or brand name and click on generate logo. So here and then click on generate logos. And the application will then take you to a place filled with existing design options. These options will be of different colors and styles and you can select up to 5 options which are closest to your expected logo design. So let's try this one or this one. I'm just going to pick some random stuff here. So maybe this one is nice. And I'll have one more which you can use maybe like this. And then just hit continue. The intelligent logo maker will then take you to the color scheme page. And each color is provided in different hues. Just choose your color, and if you don't see it here, just select one and edit it later. So let's try, maybe let the system choose my colors. And then I'll just hit continue. The next step would be to enter the company name, which is this one, and the tagline, if you have one. So tagline or slogan. You can write the name or the part of the name which would be a part of the logo. So traveling designer is part of my logo. It's not my tagline or my slogan, but it's part of my brand name. And it'll be art and design, budget, maybe that one. And then I'll hit continue. So the next stage is the fun aspect of the logo creation. It is the part where you select the icon or symbol for your logo. There are various options available which you can choose from. You can either search for a specific icon based on the industry and brand name or select it from the list of options available. You can select up to 5. Here, you can select up to 5 choices and this will help you experiment with additional to modernistic to exotic. So if you feel that this step is overrated, you can always skip it and move on to the next level. You can come back and add it at a later stage. One of the significant advantages of the platform is the flexibility and the innovation. So let's try art. Maybe I'm on art. And let's do this one. Or try design. You can also use this one's over here. This one I like. Or maybe this. Go back to art. Okay, let's do this. Let's just pick random. Alright. So if you want to delete any of this and change, just click on this. Click on it and it will disappear and then you can change everything. For example, like this one. And if I want to change it to drawing, here you go. Alright, just do this. Okay, and then hit continue. And if it's your first time here, you will be invited to form an account. And the logo options are ready without much hassle of coordination and follow-up. Multiple variants of the logo are available in various font types and styles. You can select the closest logo and make further edits to it. And here now, you can select the logo that you like. And once you've chosen the one that you like, just click on this edit logo. So let's try maybe this. And just hit edit logo. Here you can edit the colors, fonts, the name and slogan, etc. You have to play around with it. This is very user-friendly and lets you customize the spacing, the font size, and other design elements to make your logo visually appealing. So let's try to do that. For example, this name, my company name, I want to change the font. Just click on that one and you can choose from. You want bubbly or sans serif or vintage, funky, display, calligraphy, futuristic, monospace, handwritten, serif. You have your choice. So maybe let's try this one. Yeah, this looks nice. Just click update to this, and I want this traveling designer. If you want this all caps, I'll just click on it and then hit on this one. It will be in uppercase. And you can change however small or big you want it to be. There you go. And also the letter spacing. Right? There, the text distance. There you go. Oh, that's pretty cool. And if you want to edit the color of this one, you can always change it. You can also change the layout. They have lots of layout variations here. So if you want it this way or this way, or like this maybe. This one is okay. Alright, and then I'll just change this to a little bit smaller. Go, and spacing, and like that. There you have it. Now, you can change the slogan fonts as well. You can change this font, or even the colors of this. For example, if you don't want this white, just change, for example, this. You can edit the colors here. And if you have a brand color, just enter it around this area. Or you can also choose from here. But I kind of like this one, but I'll show you how it will look if it's different. Sorry, I'm on the background. I have to do the company name. Sorry about that. And I'll just choose this. And it will change. But I like this one better. And it will also give you a different hue. So like this. So maybe this one. So I'll just update it to this. And you can do the same with your symbol, your slogan or tagline, and even your background. The layout variations is the one that we did before. And for the container, you can also change it. You can add a container, add an inner container, or add an outer container. Or if you don't want anything, you want it to design another one, just generate more logos. Here, you can also duplicate, save it or share it, and you can watch the tutorials as well. They have their own tutorials. You can use the undo and the redo buttons here. Now just play around with all this. Once our tailor-made logo is ready, the application will place them on all possible mock-ups like this here, like signage boards, business cards, t-shirts, bottles, labels, and more to help us understand how the logo will look in different mediums. You can try to attempt the same using various designs and select the most feasible logo for your brand. See here. You can see it here if it's on any of these accessories here. So once you're satisfied with the design, just click the buy button over here or here and choose your package. What's in the package is specified here, and you will receive PNGs and vector files for print, web, and other usage. It supports all standard file formats for offline and online branding purposes. Everything becomes so simple with this logo maker. You can also download a sample by clicking this, but this is not the sample of your logo. It's a sample of what you will be receiving. So if you click this one, and here's a sample of what you will get. So you will have an EPS, a PDF, a PNG, and an SVG file formats. For example, for the PNG, you get this. You also have the white logo transparent and dark logo transparent. Everything here. It's so simple. All right. Now let's go back. So from here, you can also choose add-ons. You can have letter design, business card design, social media kit, t-shirt design, seasonal logos, animated logos. And once you're done, just pay and you'll receive it right away. And that's it. Easy peasy. You don't have to be a designer to create one. So give this a try. I put the link in the description already, and I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from today's video. And if you find this helpful, please share your comments below. I love reading comments and replying to them. And feel free to subscribe, like, and share on social media as well. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!